guys, it's your friend Juan here, and this is a quick demo video of the Ai Profitz cloud app. Okay, so Ai Profitz, it's a powerful cloud app that allows you to create fully monetized chatbots in seconds. Also, it's important to say that you can monetize your chatbot with your banners, affiliate links, use it as your own, or you can sell those chatbots for your clients and keep 100% of the profits. Okay, so you can create these chatbots for yourself, or you can create for clients and sell the chatbots for clients because you are getting a full commercial license on the front end. It's very easy to create your chatbot. All you need to do is click site creation here, then you go to create a website, and then you put that chatbot name here. So new chatbot, you are getting a free subdomain as well. You click submit, and then it created my chatbot here. So let me open and show it how it looks like. So it opened here, and as you can see, it's fully monetized with banners, my affiliate links on here. Also, you have the chat button here. I'm gonna show you that in a second. But you also have a list builder here where people can add their emails here, and you get their email address. So you build your email list, and also you have social share buttons here, which will allow you to get free viral traffic, okay, from social media. So then people can go here on chatbot and ask the chatbot anything they want. So let's say I want the chatbot to write me 10 headlines for a blog post. So write me 10 headlines for a blog post about weight loss. Then all you need to do is click submit, and the chatbot will write 10 headlines for a blog post about weight loss. Okay, and then you can ask anything for the chatbot, and the chatbot will do. So it will do sales copies, blog posts, coding, everything that you want. Okay, so you can ask really everything. It will create full products as well that you can sell. Okay, so it will create ebooks, all that stuff. Okay, the chatbot does everything. You ask him and he does for you. So as you can see, it wrote me 10 headlines for a blog post. I can ask him to write a blog post as well if I want in a few seconds. So write me a blog post about weight loss, for example, then submit, and it will write me a blog post about weight loss. Now, as you can see, you can use the chatbot with the banners and affiliate links of yourself, so you can monetize that way the chatbot and share the chatbot on the internet, or you can create the chatbot for your clients and sell for your clients. But there's another way that you can make money with this. Okay, you can use the chatbot itself. Okay, so let's say you want to sell sales copies and marketing copies on Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, or you want to sell articles, or you want to sell ebooks. You can do that because the chatbot will do all the hard work for you. So you can create a fully online business with this simple chatbot here. Okay, so that's another way you can monetize your chatbot. So there's many ways on how you can make money with this. It's very easy, very simple to do it. Now I showed you here, it's creating the blog post now about weight loss. Let me show you the other things that you can do inside Ai Profitz. So you have the site listing here, and it's important to say that you can edit your chatbot. Okay, so you can edit really everything about your chatbot. All you need to do is go to site setting here, and you go to edit. And as you can see, you can choose a site logo, meta title, meta description, and favicon. So you can literally edit everything and make the site looks like the way you like. Okay. Then you have the image editor here as well, which allows you to create your own banners. So if you want to create some banners to use for your affiliate links, etc., you can create with the image editor. You can edit any image here as well. Then you have the banner ads, where you can add banners inside of your chatbot. So all you need to do is click edit banner ads. You select the site you want, banner edit position, the affiliate link here, banner image, and you are ready to go. The site is fully monetized for you. Then you have the email list, which will put your email leads on here. Then you can export the leads to a CSV file and build your email list with this. Okay. Then as you can see, you have the done for you offers here section, and what this is, it's a collection of done for you offers. Okay, as you can see, it's on here. When you click here, you will have a collection of done for you offers that you can promote. Okay, so if you don't have anything to promote as an affiliate, you can sign up for those offers and promote those offers that's that are done for you. You get guaranteed approval for those, so you can promote those if you want. We selected the best offers you can promote, the highest converting ones, so it's done for you offers just if you need. Okay, so that's everything you have here inside of the AI Profits. Again, you can create chatbots for yourself, for your clients. Free commercial license is included. Everything is ready here, and it's a truly amazing piece of software. Okay, so if you like this, get it now, and we see you in the other side. Thanks so much, and we see you later. Bye bye.
What if you could create a new chatbot that will make you money hands-free and completely passively? That would be amazing, right? Well, now it's 100% possible with AI Profitz. AI Profitz is a powerful cloud app that creates fully monetized chatbots that can be either monetized with your own affiliate links, banners and offers, or that you can sell for clients a done-for-you chatbot and start making money online as soon as today. In a few seconds, you can have your own chatbot that replies to literally any question you have, and also does any work or job you have, such as writing blog posts, emails, creating ebooks. The AI Profitz chatbot does it all. Let me give you an example. You just type in, write me a blog post about weight loss, and boom, the chatbot will write an entire unique blog post that you can use on your site. That's only one of the things it does. You can ask it to do anything, even create an entire product that you can sell. And of course, you keep all the money. But that's not all. You can monetize your chatbot with your own affiliate links and banners, so when you share your chatbot on social media or with your audience, they can actually use the chatbot, click on your links, and you make even more money. Or heck, you can even use the chatbot to sell services on sites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and many more. So as you can see, there are a lot of ways you can make money with our chatbot, AI Profitz. Let me summarize this in a nutshell for you. AI Profitz creates a fully monetized chatbot in seconds. It can do anything you want. Your chatbot can write emails, create products, write adverts, write sales copy, even do coding. It comes fully monetized with your own affiliate links and banners. It builds your list automatically by getting email leads for you. It comes with an inbuilt traffic tool that gets you visitors. We're also giving you a full commercial license, so you can create chatbots in seconds, sell them to clients and keep all the money. Oh, and it's a cloud app, so there's nothing to install. And everything is fully hosted for you and ready to go. So what are you waiting for? Join us now and get instant access to AI Profitz and start making money today. Click the button below now to lock in the cheapest price, and we'll throw in the full commercial license for free. Do that now and we'll see you on the inside.